A rainbow doll cake. We're celebrating Pride. Happy Pride, everybody. I know it's not Pride Month anymore, but guess what? We're queer all year round. And one thing I know is that sometimes you need support on the months that you're not being celebrated. So today and every day, we celebrate you. Hello everyone, my name is Harvey Milk. Welcome to Koalipops. Let's get started. So today we're making a rainbow doll cake. Oh gosh, I made a version of this cake a long time ago. I didn't like it, which is why I never released a video. And since then I have improved on it, and so I'm like super happy. Let's get to this cake. Now I'm starting off with just a regular doll cake. It's blue. I made it with my Wilton's doll cake pan. I just cut into 4 layers and started with all of the doll cake basics. Now in this video I wanted to highlight GLAAD. Y'all are gay? Y'all know what GLAAD is. It's an organization that was founded by the LGBTQI that works and strives for equality for the LGBTQI community. So if you have time or money, there are links in the description box for you to donate. Now after I finished with all of the doll cake's basics, I covered my cake with a white piece of fondant. Now I've said this before, depending on how big or small you want your ruffles to be, that is kind of how thick your fondant's gonna be. I like big ruffles, so my fondant is thick. Now I'm adding my doll cake. Ooh, I love this doll. Better than the one that I chose originally. She looks like a badass. I don't know if I could be her friend because I don't know if I'm that badass. So I created her top first with white fondant, and I decided to go with white fondant because I wanted to paint on the colors of the rainbow. Now instead of using a lot of different colors of fondant, I think watercolor with food coloring would look so much better, so that's the route I went. Now just like the black trans doll cake I created, I'm adding the same stale fondant fold. Just working it all the way around the cake. It is spectacular. I love the way this looks. After that, I started to paint. So I really wanted to make the rainbow. That was it. So I'm starting with the red at the top and just working it down the rest of the cake. So it's just transitioning from orange to yellow, green to blue. I went with a lighter blue than a royal blue. I just think that the bright color looks bomb. And then we got some purple underneath. Now the purple is probably the lightest shade. I just thought that the rainbow would look better if it got lighter. And guess what? I was right. It looks bomb. Cause ta-da! Look at that, man. I left the bottom of the dress white. I just thought it would look a little bit more airy, a little bit lighter. And it just looks stunning. I can't believe it, I made that. I love the way that the highlights designed. Everything about this, even her hairstyle, it's just working so well. I love this cake. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, there are links to organizations that support the LGBTQI community in the description box. Happy Pride, everyone. Be proud of who you are. I love you. I'll see you very soon. Peace.